say you're back in the bed. Pop shot make you drop on your head. Side way make your ball and beg. Sit down pan it make your pussy beg.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And VYBZ Kartel just drop a song when it won't work. And me are telling the people it look like the VYBZ Kartel want to finish the year with a banger. But guess what we are going to know? We are going to review it and see if it's indeed a banger or not. So stay tuned, alright?
Work.
The one, right now, me have
Chaddy Murray TV.
Chaddy Murray TV, and we said check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
On YouTube, you know. Come in, say YouTube, that YouTube, and such YouTube. Yo.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Break it, Chopper, say.
It's exploded right now.
So people, we know say anytime VYBZ Kartel go on them style a beat here, anytime VYBZ Kartel start DJ in a them pattern here, you know say it's a hit. We see it in a Down Comeback, Zine, we see it in a Underwater, we see it in a couple others before, you see me, and a solid hit them. Nobody can come complain and I wonder and I take pen or paper and I say, is this a hit? Is do the statistics match the song? It a play in a road, in a streets, or it a stream on YouTube? Them song a hit. Me never have a hear no more in a song, even though me I go review the full song. You see me? But them song style, yeah, man. I hit, man. You see me? So make we go in it now. Make we hear oh the song start. Go in it.
Every man grab a girl pan a one ya. Every man grab a girl pan a one ya. You say you're back in the bed. Pop shot make you drop on your head. Side way make your ball and beg. Sit down pan it make your pussy beg.
So VYBZ Kartel always have a way, always have a style with him intro them. You see VYBZ Kartel are him have the best intro them in the music business right now. Me can't say that because what you know, you hear that style, everyone go back. You see me? It's like it'll make you want to hear more and people me feel say enough of them artists underestimate intros. If you understand, you see intros are one of the most important part of the song. And the intro determine if you are going to listen to the song right out to the end or if you just are going to press the skip button. And people, you know which part in the song may I pray again? When the man say, yo, sit down on it, make your something big bread. People, who remember in a primary school, primary school that, right? When somebody come to school with them with hole in them shoes, you just say, yo, your shoes are big bread, your shoes are big bread. Yo, VYBZ Kartel have a way to play with him words them and just bring back all some old memories, make you just have to sit back and laugh and say Jano Star. So right now, VYBZ Kartel just a say, yo, our hole a big bread, you see me? Because she have a hole and the hole would have in the shoes. So him just a say, yo, make a kitty big bread. Yo, Jano Star. VYBZ Kartel, you're one of the baddest.
Any style when you try it won't work. You see the feel you do the body gon' work. Your pussy good so me do me own work. And come back again you better ready don't split. Sit down pan the long cocky go girl. Wind up your body pan me body oh girl. Firm pan the body you know wobble don't jerk. Oh your bad so I must see devil at work.
Jano Star. So my girl, oh your bad so I must see devil at work. Yo, Jano Star. Big up the girl and we have the homework kitty. You see me? Cause some of them girl are kitty. Yo, you just need to just go there. You know have to do no homework. You know have to study. You know have to drink no peanuts. No, you know have to do no supplement, no nothing. You see me? You just go there and it just blah. You see me? But then you have some other set of girl, another girl a VYBZ Kartel a talk about where you have to plan a rehearse figure for them girl. You have to study and I do homework, is it? So people, me not really know still in about right now. I kind of love that song, you see me? Me just hear the little couple bars them in it and it you can see say yo that song you have me laughing, you see me? The man I use him words them and that's what you want a song to be about. And every time we need to forward around with some serious song, you see me? And if you put in some song more time, you can just sit back on meds and say yo, we VYBZ Kartel really did that thing when he made that song there. And a VYBZ Kartel alone, me see can really do that something there.
Oh your bad so I must see devil at work. Go repent, brother be your church. I live vibe, get with thy bird. Sanctify, no drunk can purge. You are angel, every angel can hurt. Any style you a try won't work.
So right now VYBZ Kartel I say my girl, how you and bad so? Yeah, devil, I owe you one bad so right now the man I recommend her to Brother Blair Church. And people, for who don't know Pastor Blair are the one where they get caught with Christopher Dodos Coke. Yeah man, Dodos. In the 2010 incursion we're going to Tivoli, you see me? For those who don't know who is Brother Blair or Pastor Blair, you see me? So right now, VYBZ Kartel I say, yo, you're too bad. You need to go to church. You need to go down a Pastor Blair church and make Pastor Blair pray for you. And then the man start recommending her to start use olive oil and all these things. Yo, a VYBZ Kartel alone, me sick and paint them vivid image there, yo. Jado Star people, only like this song so far. Just tell me in the comment section if you like this song or I just foolish me attack and this song I just foolish. You see me? But make me know.
You see the for you to the body gon' work. Your pussy good so me do me own work. And come back again you better ready don't split. Any style where you try it won't work. You see the for you to the body gon' work. Your pussy good so me do me own work. And come back again you better ready don't split.
And people wanting to pay attention to the wordplay them in that song here, you see me? VYBZ Kartel they don't talk about say yo, your kitty a big bread. And now he must say yo, you have to go splurt. You see me? And you see them two terms there, normally a little pitney talk about them two terms there, you see me? Splurt, me not really hear no big pitney talk about splurt. And when me used to go to primary school and them thing they would talk about big bread and splurt. And for those who don't know what is splurt, splurt is just a meaning for move fast or take away yourself or something like say, you see me, splurt. Yo, you see police are come, you have to splurt. Mean you have to move. You can't stay there so make them see you. You see me? But the point where me I get to is when VYBZ Kartel sing a song, him stick to one team. So him don't go all over the place. If we stick to some little pitney phrase, I just be a pitney phrase. I just be a back in the days phrase him I use. If I use nowadays talking and nowadays talking I use. You don't understand what me I say? I wonder if you don't really understand. That is why me rate VYBZ Kartel writing skills. You see me? Is a brother where him can write and nobody can deny that. Anyway, back to the song.
Tick it, tack it, pack it, rack it. You know, see them a vomit, bubble, pan it, take me, wallet. You can have it, baby, damn it. Remember me a real capricorn, make me ram it. Set you like a egg on the bed, make me bam it. Turn back with you look.
So viewers and subscribers, this is how I want to do for me. Cause you see that line there where the dog says set you like a egg pan a bread, make me bam it. I swear, I don't know what I mean right there. So, cause at first, me the thing say yo, him say something about vomit relating to vomit, and me there say alright then I broke, him a go broke like when a egg yolk broke, you see me, and it look like vomit. Me I say yo, him a go broke in her, and then it a go look like vomit. But anyway, me listen the song and me see say another that him say. So honestly, me don't know what him say in other line. So if you know what him say in other line, just comment in the comment section. You see me? That line they bigger than me.
Me make you wetter than the Yucatan. Scream by your voice so the Juka want.
And this is one of the things them again about VYBZ Kartel where we're sure about anytime VYBZ Kartel do a song like this. You're sure if you learn something. Either you're gonna learn one new word, you're gonna know one new place, you're gonna learn something. You see me? And right there and then Kartel just teach you what is or where is Yucatan. Now Yucatan, me never know if me I pronounce it good, Jano Star. But anyway, Yucatan Peninsula that are in a Mexico, you see me? Right at the tip of the part of Mexico. Probably me I edit that video here, me I go put one little map so uno can see away. But anyway, hurricane ever got a place. Anytime the hurricane they mix Jamaica, they over there them go. You see me? And them have a high amount of rainfall per year. So right now, VYBZ Kartel I say, my girl, you know say me I make you wetter than Yucatan. Yo, Jano Star, VYBZ Kartel, yeah bad.
Tell you draw a crowd, everybody come and look what one. Nothing nah go on, no carry on. Tell you nice and you clean for you just a band. Dear clothes, dear shoes, you no must have on. Inna your birthday suit, still top farm. So you star every sphere, every platform. That one, any style you a try won't work.
And big up all of the girls them will look good in a them birthday suit. You see me? Once you never no makeup, you see me? No ear, no do everything. You just forward as you were. And you still look good. Big up on you. Cause some of them girls them have to edit themselves before them touch road. Anyhow, that's the end of my review. So wanna tell me what you wanna think in the comment section. Cause me not telling you no lie, but me feel say this is going to be a hit song. The people them talk already. You see me? Other song you me feel say I go come run the Christmas. Every time them feel say Gaza drop, him just forward back. Yo, VYBZ Kartel, me not telling you no lie, you're the boss. You see me? So this is how we want to do for me. I want to grade this song out of 10, where 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest. How much you da give that song here? How much you da give that song here entitled Won't Work? You see me? You feel say that song here won't work in the dancehall space? Tell me what you think in the comment section. And people, it's that time again. If you know they follow my video, you know say at the end of each video, I want to shout out one of my subscribers, them, one of the person them will comment in the previous video. So this comment when me I go shout out is from London Brawlers, and me not telling you no lie, yo. When me read a comment, I me laugh till me weak. So me make a video last night, a review on Tommy Lee new song. You see me? And in the comment section, the dog right, such man can't even get a response to King Alka. Look, him can't even get him own a review without King Alka in a it. So people, who no continue to comment on the song, cause probably next time I shout out a review, it just might be you. Don't forget to like, comment and share, and you can follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's I am DJ CHADDY. And people, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. You know what I mean? Until next time, I'm out.
Any style you a try won't work. You see the for you to the body gon' work. Your pussy good so me do me own work. And come back again you better ready don't split.